Hi, welcome to Backstage Pass. My name is Kim and this is Rachel, and we're part of the marketing duo here at the Detroit Lakes Community and Cultural Center. And we are rolling into March. Like it just did time. The weather is starting to warm up, knock on wood. We're getting some, I don't have any wood near me, but knock on wood, we're starting to get some snow melt and things like that. We know that we might get some more. It's okay. We know it's short-lived though now that we're getting into the middle of March. And so speaking of getting into the middle of March, we're rolling out some stuff.
Yes, we are looking ahead to spring and summer over on the theater side. We are planning to have a show at the end of March.
Okay.
One in April, possibly 2 in May.
Wow, that's
so
great.
Be paying attention for those. The date we're looking at is March 27th. And hopefully by the time everyone's seeing this, it'll be up online and you can purchase your tickets.
Awesome.
But it will be a tribute show, I can tell you that much.
Okay.
And as for art classes this spring, we have, this April we have a Paint Your Pet. It's a virtual class.
Cool.
We are looking forward to, we are getting some mosaics class set up for spring. We just don't have the dates set in stone yet. And we, for the summer, we are looking at getting some great arts programming for kids.
Fun.
This summer, you know, we're talking week-long art workshops. We're also looking at some kinder music workshops. And then we also have a summer watercolor, 2-day watercolor course coming. We are really working on making sure we have a lot of stuff. So just be watching the website, checking out the art cellar, and we will all have it up there as soon as it's set in stone.
Yeah, that's great. It's so fun. It's been so fun. And the energy in here has been fun because, you know, we're starting to get more people back in here from a membership standpoint and from an activity standpoint, but also just we're shifting to that spring, summer planning and some outdoor stuff and some indoor stuff and post-school things. And so there's lots of fun stuff going on. So very cool. So then you'll be back to talk more once we have it. But like she said, watch for watch the website for all that information. It would be great at dlccc.org and click on that Homes Theater tab. So for that. So as far as the fitness side goes, we are excited. We have indoor triathlon coming up on March 20th. We have done that in the past. It's an indoor triathlon. So you swim in our pool, climate controlled pool. You run on our treadmills, again climate controlled, and you'll bike on our spin bikes. And so, so if you get a chance and you're interested in, maybe you want to try. That's kind of the tagline for this. Give it a try. You can sign up online for that. You can pick your slots. The minimum number of people, because we're kind of putting you into pods as you go and compete throughout the morning that you're here. So sign up for that online. Again, that's Saturday, March 20th. So look for that. As far as more spring things, we have a couple things happening. We're getting our HIT Club is kicking off. I believe this week. It might be rolling into next week, but that's for any boys and girls 5th grade and above who are interested in softball or baseball. It's the batting cage. And so if your child is part of a program and things like that, they probably have received information from their coaches, but the batting cages will be open, and that's the HIT Club that we offer a couple nights a week. So watch for that. Again, you can register online for that as well at dlccc.org. Go to that register tab. In addition to that, we have, there was something else that I'm totally blanking on right now. Oh, swim lessons. We have swim lessons. Sally has been rolling out her swim lessons. And a sneak peek for you is that if you look soon, you actually, I don't know how long it's going to stay up there, but you actually can look ahead and look at the summer lessons are out there already. She has posted for June and July. Again, we understand that with COVID that's a hopeful information out there right now, but it is good to have that info. You can register for those things. And again, if something's not able to go, she's been able to shift, but we're really excited, and it's exciting to be able to see that. In addition, we have some of our outdoor class, or some of our fitness classes are getting ready to look at going outdoors. So keep an eye on that. We're expanding our in-person classes. Tai Chi Cha is back on stage. So there's lots of in-person classes slowly coming back with masks and physical distancing. So keep an eye on all of that and more at our website at www.dlccc.org. And thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you again next week.